morning to all. Now I am going to explain measuring of weight. In the previous class we discussed about the measuring of length. Now second one is measuring of weight. What is a weight? Weight is a heaviness of a thing is called it as a weight. For example, now this is the heaviness of this object is called weight. So, generally some common units for measuring weight. For example, when you are going to vegetable market, you take some vegetables. How to ask the vegetable? You want one vegetable, two vegetable? No. You are asking 1 kg tomatoes, 1 kg potatoes. Here, kg is the unit for measuring weight. So, next one is kilograms. Kg full form is kilogram. And half kg. Half kg means 500 grams. Half kg means 500 grams. Here, common units for measuring weight are weight is kilogram and grams. Same, in the measuring of length, you see some more units. What are they? Kilo, hectare, deca, standard, deci, centi, milli. Same here also. Same, but here this is more change. Actually, standard unit for measuring weight. Standard unit for measuring weight is gram. Gram is the standard unit. Are you clear here? So next, what is the relation between these units? In the meters, you see some relations. Same already here also. 1 kg, kilo means 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Next, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. Milligrams. When you are seeing metric measurements, units are main important. Okay, you don't see the number. Here 1 kg is equal to 1000. Some are thinking 1 and 1000. 1 is bigger, smaller, 1000 is bigger. No. Here units based on this. Here kg is the bigger than gram. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. Next, once open the course book, page number 35. So, what are the commonly used units for measuring weight? Are milligram, gram and kilogram. What is the standard unit for weight? Gram is a standard unit for weight. Now, once see here, they will do something. Remember that the units used to measure depending on the weights of the object. So we use kilogram. Kilogram used for chocolate. Here chocolate is there, no. Kilogram is used for chocolate, no. It is heavy height. Example, sweets. There you can use kg. Or grapes. You want 1 kg grapes. Next. So more than gram. Which object weight is more than gram is there? There you can use kilograms. Next gram. When you use gram, basic unit of weight is gram. So you can use lesser weights. Then you can use the gram. Milligram. It is smaller than lesser weight, less than the gram. It is very less. Then you can use the gram. Now see here, 1 ton is equal to 1000 kgs. If you take 1000 kgs of quantity, that you represented as a 1 ton. Next, 1 quintal. 1 quintal is equal to 100 kgs. Now this word you can use in the when farmers measuring the rice, wheat, they said 100 kgs is equal to 1 quintal. Okay. Next, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligrams. So here ton, it is very large objects, very heavy weights. They can use the ton. Next, quintal. Rice bag, 100 kgs rice bag is called it as a 1 quintal. You see here, the weight of this van is measured in the ton. Next, grapes weight is measured in the kgs. Okay. Next, grams. For example, you want jeera, 100 grams. Okay, then you can use 100 grams. Grams are used for lesser weights. Okay, very lesser weights. Medicine weight is very lesser weight. Then you can use milligrams. Is it clear now? Next, turn the page. Let us see how you can use these weights in our daily life. Once see here, Sudeep's mother is making a cake for New Year celebrations. For a 3 kg cake, she needs the following ingredients. So when bakers make a cake, you want some ingredients. Without ingredients, you can't make the cake also. So here, which ingredients you need for making cake? Maida 1 kg, sugar 1 kg, butter 1 kg, baking powder 300 mg. If she has to make a 6 kg cake, how much quantity each ingredient is required? Generally here see, she make a 3 kgs of cake. Here she wants some ingredients: maida, sugar, butter, baking powder has maida has 1 kg, sugar has 1 kg, butter has 1 kg, baking powder has 30 mg. Mg means milligrams. So now she decided to make more quantity of the cake. Here see the 3 are changed into 6 kgs. Now how much quantity of each item she need here? So see here, the given ingredients sufficient for 3 kgs only, not 6 kgs. If she want to make a 6 kgs of cake, definitely she increase the quantity of the ingredients also. So maida want 2 kgs, again sugar want 2 kgs. Next, butter also want 2 kgs. Baking powder in 3 kgs you want 30 mg, 30 milligrams. Now 6 kgs you want 30 into 2. 32 is 60 mg. Okay. Now this is the estimation. Next page, page number 37. Estimate the weights of the following objects. See, generally you can estimate this. For example, the weight of this boost packet is 250 grams. Okay. Next, the weight of MTR powder is Mirchi powder is, rasam powder is 500 grams. Next, maida, it is a 1 kg. This is the estimation. Okay. Next, what is that next? You have a based on this word problems are there. How to do the word problem? First read the question twice, understand the question and write in the statement form. Later do the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So here already same, kilo is the higher, milli is the smaller. When you are coming to milli, higher to smaller, there you do the multiplication. Always do multiplication. Now smaller to higher units, you are convert smaller units into higher units. Then we always do division. Division with the relation of the numbers. Is it clear? Next, capacity. What is the third measurement? Capacity. So capacity means volume. Generally it is in the form of a liquid. Okay, water, the quantity of water, the quantity of oil. This is the capacity. That is called capacity. Same. There also bigger is kilo, smaller is milli. In place of gram, what is the standard unit for measuring capacity? Liter is the standard unit. Liter is the standard unit. Measuring capacity. So, measuring capacity, what is the standard unit for measuring capacity? Liter. What is the short form of liter? L. L is the short form of a liter. So here, liter, left side, we see the bigger units. What are they? Decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter. Right side of liter, we see deciliter, next centiliter, milliliter. Generally, in our daily life, we can use certain common units. What are they? Liter, milliliter. Next, kiloliters. Okay, now see here. One example I will take. For example, the quantity of a water bottle. So, the quantity of a water bottle is 1 liter. Okay, the quantity of a glass, that is the milligrams. Is it clear now? So, here, every time if you move right to left, it is 10 times increased. Left to right, decreased by 10 times. So here 1 kiloliter is equal to 10 hectoliter. 1 hectoliter is equal to 10 decaliter. Decaliter. 1 decaliter is equal to 1 liter. 1 liter is equal to 10 deciliter. 1 deciliter is equal to 10 centiliter. 10 centiliter is equal to 1 milliliter. Next, 1000 liters make it 1 kiloliter. 1000 liters make it 1 kiloliter. Again, 1000 milliliters make 1 liter. 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter. Now this is the measuring of capacity. Now once turn the page number 40. Once see here we use kiloliter. It is more than liter. When you use kiloliters, more than liters. The capacity of a water tank, there you can use kiloliters. So that is the large capacities. Next we use liter, basic unit of capacity, to measure medium capacities. Quantity of capacity of water bottle, capacity of water in the bucket, there you can use the liters. Next we use less than a liter. The quantity is there in less than milliliter, there you can use milliliters. So here also relation between them, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters, 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liters. There also there see here page number 41, how to find the total amount. Total, what you do here? Total. This is the terminology used for addition. So total. There you can use total quantity supplied for a factory. There you can use addition. So when you are changing higher units to lower units, do the multiplication. Always multiply the given relation. Next, smaller units to higher units. What you do? There you also apply the division. Apply the division. Okay. Now is it clear, everyone?